Hey guys, I didn't mount this light bar mountain license plate. I might get a little bit bigger screw so that it's more strong. And for this yellow ones, it's the auxbeam one. So I will be using same thing like with this. And I will chop this from the relay switch. And I can use their wire to run it to my fuse box. Like I have this 12 gang switch panel, so I will be using this thing. For the light bar, it's simple. I have the wires for that. I will use that wire. So stay tuned, we will check it. Let me check first if it's still working or not. I waste my time in here. So before doing all the wiring, I just peeled off. We will check if it's running or not. Looks right. I might have to do it again. Looks good. Both of them together will be fine. We will check the other one too. Working fine. Let's do all the wiring. So guys, everything is wired. Both of the light bars, like light bar and the portlets, are being fired. It's coming from, like all the wire is coming from here, comes all the way to here, and it just passes through the here. It's getting tight here, so it sticks here. I just put a tape on here, and everything is plugged in this side. So I have all the wires left for this side to put in if I want to, when I get something else. And now we will be testing the light bars and stuff. So close the light and see the light. This is the hood lights. The hood is open, sorry. So these are the hood lights. So now these are the bottom ones, bottom yellow ones. That's good light though. They both are together, hood and the bottom ones. And then this is the light bar. I might need to change the angle for this one to do a little bit up. I will go out and then set it around if I need to lift it up or not. So other video will be coming for after I set up all the angles. There will be another one video coming up for this. I might need to go little up like this. I don't know about this angle. I will set the angles afterwards and make a video for that. So for the light views, this is my regular low beam with the fog lights stock, and then this is the high beam. So if I turn on the fog lights, which I added the yellow ones, that's the difference. And with the light bar it's like this. And if I turn off my lights of my car, this is the light bar. And then this is the yellow lights, like fog lights on the front. This is light bar. And if I turn on my lights on, so this is my lights, this is the fog lights, yellow ones, and this is the light bar, and this will be high beam. This is my regular lights, I think. Yeah, and this is my regular lights with both lights on, and this is high beam, low beam, high beam, yellow off, light bar off. Now this light looks like too small, like I can't see anything. With this light bar it becomes nice, even though these yellow ones also make a nice shade. And then these are the hood ones.